Good morning, students. Let's see the advantages of accounting. The main advantages means accounting बनाने के क्या क्या benefits हो सकते हैं या क्या क्या फायदे हो सकते हैं वो हम देखें. तो सबसे पहले दे रखा है आपको financial informations about the business. If we have maintained our account in a systematic manner, we can know that what is happening in the business organization. We can know each and everything about the business. हमको business की सारी जानकारी मिल जाती है अगर हम बिजनेस के सभी ट्रांजेक्शन्स को सिस्टमेटिकली रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. What is our assets, what is our liability, how much goods is lying in the business organization, how many debtors are there, how many creditors are there. Every information we can collect from the accounting. Assistance to the manager. If the accounts are maintained in a systematic manner, and we can get this information for the management purpose. If we have to manage the affairs of the business organization, we can see the data related to the business organization, that what is the movement of the activities of the business organization, replaces the memory. If the transactions once recorded in the books of accounts systematically, there is no need to memorize the thing in the mind. You know, students, when suppose a mobile number is to be saved, until and unless that mobile number will be saved in your device, you will have to recall or memorize that particular mobile number. Once you have entered that, saved it in the memory of the mobile, there is no need to memorize that particular mobile number. So once the things are recorded in the books of account, there is no need to memorize that one. So it replaces the memory. Whatever the transactions are taking place in the business organization, if you have to keep in your mind for longer period, it is quite possible that you may forget some of the transactions. So once you record these transactions in the accounts, then there is no need to recall these transactions. Facilitates the comparative studies. It facilitates the comparative studies. If you have maintained the accounts in a systematic manner, you can analyze your transactions, okay, over the period of time. You can compare the data of current year with that of the previous year, and you can compare the data of your business organization with that of the other business organization also. You can see that what was the profits or the sale of the last year and what is the current year's position. Facilitate the settlement of the tax liability. Whatever the tax we have to pay, they have to pay the taxes on certain amount of money like sales or profit. That is our income. Okay? Because the income tax is to be paid on income and GST is paid on sales. So if we know that what is our sales, what is our turnover, we can easily calculate the amount of the tax and we can pay it timely. If we come to know about our income, we can easily calculate the amount of the income tax and then we can pay our taxes. Tax liability can be ascertained before the notice is issued from the income tax authorities. Calculate the tax liability, that how much tax we have to pay, and once we pay the taxes, we can be free from all kinds of the tensions. Facilitates loan. If you want to borrow the money from any bank, then you have to give them the proof about your income. And accounting, if maintained in the proper way, अगर आपने अकाउंट्स को ढंग से मेंटेन किया है तो ये आपको प्रूफ के रूप में बता सकते हैं. Okay, when you want the money from any bank or any institution, they will check your eligibility, whether you are eligible to take the money or borrow the money or not. Okay, they will see your bank statement, they will see your accounts. तो अगर आपने अकाउंट्स ढंग से बना रखे हैं तो वो अकाउंट्स को चेक कर लेंगे and your application for the loan can be sanctioned. Evidence in court. If by chance somebody has claimed a certain property or filed the case against you, then you can have the accounting as the evidence and you can save your business organization. Facilitate sale of the business. If you want to sell your business organization, your accounting will help you to get correct amount of your business organization, because when the business is sold, the assets and the liabilities of the business organizations are assessed, they are evaluated, their profits are evaluated, that whether this business organization is earning the profits or not, and then you can collect the correct amount of money. Assistance in the events of insolvency. Insolvency means bankruptcy. Bankrupt means if a person's liability is more than the assets and he is unable to pay the money, then it is known as bankrupt. So when a person is to be get declared himself insolvent, he is to present his accounts. So if the accounts are systematically maintained, he can get these facilities. When a person apply for the insolvency, his accounts are analyzed and then he is declared to be इंसॉल्वेंट। ओके, इसमें ये चेक किया जाता है कि इस बिजनेस में इन्होंने जो पैसा लगाया था वो बिजनेस की वजह से नुकसान में जाने की वजह से डूबा है। ही इज डिक्लेयर्ड इंसॉल्वेंट। हेल्पफुल इन पार्टनरशिप अकाउंट्स। इट इज वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर द बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विच आर रन अंडर द पार्टनरशिप। ऐसे कोई बिजनेस जो पार्टनरशिप में चलते हैं उनमें कई बार ऐसा हो सकता है कि लड़ाई झगड़े या कोई डिस्प्यूट्स हो जाए, तो उन डिस्प्यूट्स को भी सॉर्ट आउट करने के लिए अकाउंटिंग जो है वो हेल्प करता है। Okay, so you can see that under the accounting of the partnership, there are more than two persons. When two or more persons are there, then they need to help one another. And if the accounting is maintained in the proper way, there will be least chances of any disputes. Helpful in decision making. Once the accounting is maintained in the proper way, the managements are able to know that what decisions will be correct and what decision will be very, very beneficial for the organization. Management may get confused when the accounting is not giving the proper information. So when there is a